नमस्ते दोस्तों, और ये नई वीडियो में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज हम जा रहे हैं कोकण।
एक्चुअली हम सुबह 7 बजे जाने वाले थे, लेकिन बेटा की तबीयत बहुत खराब हुई थी।
I think my body became so weak nowadays. My immunity system became so low. So that's why I don't know. Nowadays I get ill so fast. And I don't know, yesterday we came downside to put our luggage, but then I was not able to sleep at night. I vomited and I was not feeling good, and from other side also I got a new virus, so my lungs got infectious. So that's why we thought, like, at 9 we woke up. Now we are putting things and we are going because I have to drive. So I was like, if I have
also drive on like highway. Its road is like bigger.
But yesterday Bhagwan did for the first time. He practiced driving and he was awesome for the first time.
Really? You're just making fun?
No, I'm not kidding. At 12 at night we came downside. It was like 11 p.m. We came downside, so he was like, should I drive a little bit? I said, yeah, let's go. And our society is a little bit compacted, but still he managed. Starting he was not able to manage, but then slowly he became so good.
Really?
I think 1 month if you practice, you'll be so
if
good.
I practice, it will be good. So guys,
let me show you guys inside car also.
Okay, sure.
Wait, Bhagwan, thank you. And car also is so dirty. We didn't clean the car.
I told Beta, let me clean yesterday.
So actually one bigger bag we put backside, and is here inside. And other things here. I don't think when we are going Iran also we don't have this much luggage.
Because Iran you don't allow me to take anything.
And this one also we took is so big because
blanket. I think it's
we
cold.
thought weather is
cold
cold there at night.
We took everything.
Stand
laptop, everything.
Oh, eating things also you took? Where you put?
Eating thing what? In that bag only.
Backside?
No, here only. Means
Okay.
we can take.
Okay, chala.
Okay, let's go. It's like nearly 4.5 hours, but I think we have to stop in between, so it will take 6 hours something.
I hope we will not stop. Means we will be so energetic.
I hope it's in your hand. एक्चुअली गाइस हम मंडे ही जाने वाले थे, लेकिन मंडे को फिर भी बेटा की तबीयत बहुत खराब हो गई थी। फिर
Overall, my immunity system became so low. I have to take care of it.
Because from like nearly 1-2 weeks didn't do exercise. After Diwali didn't do anything.
No, overall I think since I came to India, I am getting so much ill.
I think with the dust
I have to
also.
eat more good things and.
Beta is getting again sardi. I feel she have allergy of dust. We have to do one test also for you.
So, people were saying when we wanted to buy car, I just remember some people were saying knowing driving, having driving license is so different from knowing driving.
Driving in India.
But guys, it's more than 10 days I am driving in India, and some roads I went, you will get crazy. Like
they were so small.
And so many people are coming from here and there, and India is always like.
So Beta is good in driving.
So much.
And because मैं ईरान में गया था ना, मैं हिल पे मतलब बहुत अच्छी ड्राइविंग की थी बेटा ने, तो उसको आता है ड्राइविंग.
Means I know properly. Only thing is in India, driver's seat is in this side.
It's opposite.
And in Iran is that side. So when I was in Iran for how many years? 5 years. 5 years I used to do driving. And
you said 7 years.
No, 7 years it is I have driving
Oh,
license.
but from 5 years you used to do driving.
Yeah.
Okay.
So 5 years I was in Iran, like this I'm saying. So when I was in Iran, my driving was really good. I never had accident. Only once we were together.
That also she was on phone. I was telling her, don't be on phone.
I was on phone and it was traffic. So by mistake I hit so slow. I hit my front car. That also nothing happened. But then overall I never had accident. But when I came to India,
Wait, I don't know where we have to go. Stop here only. Here only. Stop here. Bego, Chimiki.
I'm saying since I came to India, I was a little bit scared that this side is a little bit different. But now I got used to it.
Now, yeah, Miss Beta is
This
good,
one
and I have confidence also on Beta.
Really?
Means I trust
So
Beta.
you will sleep?
I will not
You
sleep
will put your life?
because you don't know
On my
the
hand.
way. I have to check na way.
Okay.
So I am just a navigator. I will just say direction.
I just want to see how is Konkan. I hope it looks
Everyone
like
is saying,
Goa.
guys, they say it's like mini Huon of
Really?
Maharashtra. They say na like Huon of India is Kerala. So it's like mini Huon of Maharashtra. They say
Wow.
Konkan. No, sorry, not Huon of Maharashtra. They say
Even of Maharashtra.
Huon of Maharashtra is like Konkan,
Let's
and they is
see
so
how it
beautiful than Goa also.
Really?
It's untouched. इवन बिकॉज जहाँ पे हम जा रहे हैं वॉलंटियरिंग के लिए वो मंडे टू फ्राइडे या सैटरडे तक ही है. संडे हॉलीडे रहेगा, संडे सैटरडे. और मतलब 1 बजे तक है. सुबह 7 से 1 या 2 बजे तक काम करना है. उसके बाद फ्री है हम. और उसके बाद जाएंगे. वी विल गो हियर एंड देयर नियर बाय प्लेसेस एंड मे बी सम बीचेस आर देयर नियर बाय. वी कैन गो. I think 1 hour, but we can go. We can go. We have car also now. It's safe now. We can go anywhere.
Even when you are in nature, just going for walk also is like so much good, so much enjoyable.
So
Okay,
chalo
chalo
guys, let's
guys.
go. I have to show map to Beta and let's
And
go.
pray for me, I'll get so strong.
We'll go there and we'll be more healthy.
Yeah.
Let's see, because in nature we are going now, so definitely it will affect. Here in Pune, air became so polluted, like dust is everywhere.
Yeah.
I feel that's why also Beta is always getting a headache and allergy of sardi and this thing.
No, but my body also became weak. Yeah. Chalo guys.
Hello guys.
Bye
Bye.
با ناز اومدم شکوفریز اومدم اما عزیز اومدم آخه گفته بودی دیر نکن عاشق و دلگیر نکن گفته بودی زود بیا لحظه موعود بیا دیرین دیرین دین منم اون یار شیرین منم اون یار باناز So
guys, we are going. It's showing 3.5 hours from here. It's not that much traffic. Means we thought it will be so much traffic, So we'll go early.
6 hours that guy was saying.
Maybe we'll stop in between because road is not straight. It's like hill area. You have to go so slow and careful. That's why he was saying stop in between, take rest, then drive.
He knew that I am going to drive.
I don't know. I don't think.
No, I'm saying because maybe like that he said 6 hours it will take. He thought. Huh?
Maybe. See guys.
I am saying maybe he thought.
No one is.
if I
Indian
drive-
people never drive in their lane. Suddenly they come in other lane. They don't have patience.
And they don't show indicator also at all. So.
That's why you have to use a horn.
Really. And Nano. Nowadays I'm seeing Nano a lot.
We wanted to buy Nano, guys, starting last year. We wanted to buy second-hand Nano.
Thank God we didn't buy.
And we wanted to learn properly.
It's not good car for driving. Really, for city, if someone doesn't know driving and this thing is good, but not for our situation is not good. I don't know why I like small cars overall so much. That's why I like Nano. One car is there, electrical.
Something MC Comet, something like
That
this.
one also I like so much. Overall,
small
cars
and
which are
cute.
so small, I like so much. Manamun yar shirin. Guys, we have 3 more space. If you want, come.
You can join us.
7 rupees, 7 rupees. Guys, on road we stop.
So I take small one.
And we want to take one ananas. I thought they were good.
Camera है ना आपके पास? Cash is there. Check.
There. Namak also take from. No, not on newspaper.
Why?
Plastic take. Newspaper is not good for health.
So guys, we are going. Suddenly we saw one ananas guy. Beta is
I
like,
showed.
you showed? Beta is like, I want to eat ananas. I want to eat ananas.
You know, this combination, namak, mirchi, and ananas, I never saw in Iran. And at starting when I came, Bhagwan showed me here they eat ananas with namak and mirchi. I was like, "Aye."
What they are doing?
So disgusting. But I became so addicted to it. Now, if I see ananas, I have to eat with namak and mirchi.
इवन मैंगो जो मैंगो रहता है ना रॉ मैंगो ग्रीन वाला वो भी बेटा नमक और वो चिल्ली पाउडर डाल के खाती है मतलब इतना अभी इंडियन हो गए मतलब बेटा
Also, ananas of India is so sweet and juicy. In Iran, it's not like this. So dry it is. India has very good ananas, really.
It's tasty.
When my mom also came, she also got to know same thing.
She got shocked.
She was shocked, wow, so juicy and so...
बस ईरान में ज्यादा ग्रो नहीं करते ना अनानास जहाँ से वो इम्पोर्ट करते हैं मतलब इंडिया से या दूसरी कंट्री से
And mostly, ananas is so big.
So big and it's like so dry.
No juice, nothing.
Means it's not like watery. It's like dry. So guys,
They're
यहाँ
not
से
tasty. That's why when I was in Iran, I never used to like ananas. Never.
But here you became mad.
Here I became crazy.
So guys, चलते हैं अभी 3-3.5 घंटे है जाएंगे वहाँ पे दिखाएंगे आपको जाते समय रास्ता शायद अच्छा होगा थोड़ा पुणे से बाहर निकलेंगे ना हम अभी भी पुणे में है शायद मतलब पुणे ही है अभी ये सब इट्स लाइक पुणे ओनली सम स्मॉल विलेज पुणे इट्स लाइक पिरंगुट इट्स मेंशनिंग पिरंगुट इट्स लाइक पुणे ओनली
That place also is in village, na? Vagoli.
It's like part of Pune only became Betul. Just they gave different names.
Now here also is part of Pune.
It's like part of Pune only. It's like small village but it's part of Pune. You saw anywhere gap.
No.
Everywhere house and this shop and this thing. So guys चलो चलते हैं अभी दिखाते हैं आपको.
Chalo guys.
GPS signal lost.
ऑन द वे हम रुके यहाँ पे अभी बेटा को टॉयलेट आई थी और यहाँ पे अभी हमने भजिया ऑर्डर किया है और बेटा देखो सो गई है पता नहीं मतलब जब से वो वायरल इन्फेक्शन हुआ है ना बेटा को मतलब पूरा मतलब चेस्ट पूरा ये हो गया था इन्फेक्टेड अभी ठीक ठाक हो रहा है अभी एंटीबायोटिक्स की मेडिसिन और कफ सिरप भी दे रहा हूँ मैं अभी तो ठीक हुआ है अभी और हम जा रहे हैं ना वो प्लेस चिराग 1 उस प्लेस का नाम है चिराग 1 वो भी एक कपल है और उन्होंने मतलब जॉब छोड़ के सब छोड़ के एक 15 एकड़ कुछ तो एरिया खरीदा था वहाँ पे 2022 में फिर वहाँ पे उन्होंने खेती ये स्टार्ट कर दी बाद में उन्हें वॉलंटियरिंग ये स्टार्ट कर दिया है हम जहाँ पे जा रहे हैं ना वो कपल है ना मुझे याद नहीं अभी कौन है एग्जैक्टली लेकिन वन ऑफ देम स्टडीड इन IIT बॉम्बे ओनली डिड M.Tech in energy I think energy science something like this so let's see it will be good to meet different people and I hope that different people are there already for volunteering because I saw so many people went there already so let's see how it is and see Bita